Hi, welcome to this video. Stop guessing what to post and stop building a brand. Here's the exact roadmap to creating an Instagram account that actually makes money in 2026. Create a dedicated space for your content that allows you to leverage creator-only tools, professional analytics, and monetization features. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1, set up the foundation the right way. So install Instagram from your App Store or Google Play, and basically go ahead and sign up with the new account. So I'm gonna show you like what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna add an Instagram account, hit login to an existing account. Instead, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit create a new account. Add the username, right? And allow and continue, right? To add your account in Meta. Agree to the terms and policies, and your account will be created. So let me close the window and show you what it's gonna look like. Let me switch here. Yeah, I'm gonna switch to this account. All right, this is a new account now. Now, once you create your account, all you gotta do is just add the profile picture and hit edit profile here to add username, pronouns, bio, links, banners, etc. And now what you're gonna do is switch to a creator account. So inside your profile, hit the 3 lines in the top right. Scroll down to find account type and tools. Make sure if it's personal account, then switch to a professional account. And select creator as your account type instead of business if you are a person or if you're an individual or influencer. And select the category, digital creator, blogger, video creator, entertainer, and optimize for growth. As we said, bio, profile picture, turn on suggested accounts, right? So in the 3 lines, at the top right, find suggested profile, right? Make sure it's turned on, right? Or you're gonna see here the recommendation, right? Who to follow next, right? And ensure you're not violating guidelines to maximize reach. So 3 lines in the top right, search for account status. Press. Make sure here that if you see like an orange thing or a red circle, then you need to get on it now. And now create with intent. Identify 2 key niches by observing what you consume for 15 minutes, ensuring you are passionate about the content, and post daily, right? Consistency is key to growing, especially in the first few months. By setting up as a creator account, you immediately get access to the professional dashboard, allowing you to track which posts gain followers and which ones don't. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.